Hello everyone. Today I want to show you one of the most practical new features in Parol 4.5. It is the generalized skip token concept with the new %skip directive. In this video, we will configure skip tokens per scanner state, see why this matters for real grammars, and look at the most important validation rules. You will see three things. First, how %skip extends default whitespace and newline skipping. Second, how to configure skip tokens in initial and custom scanner states. And third, which constraints keep this feature safe and predictable. Until now, skipping mostly meant automatic whitespace and newline handling. That is fine for many grammars, but it becomes limiting when scanner states are used for nested or context-sensitive regions. In practice, we often have helper tokens, for example comment delimiters, that should trigger scanner transitions, but should not clutter parser logic. With Parol 4.5, %skip lets us define additional skip tokens explicitly, and this can be configured per scanner state. This keeps grammars readable, reduces parser noise, and preserves strict scanner control. Each entry in %skip must be a primary non-terminal for a terminal, so %skip references terminal-bearing grammar symbols, not arbitrary non-terminals. Now let us model nested comments. We use a comment scanner state, and we skip comment delimiters in a controlled way. In initial, comment start is configured as skip token and enters comment. Inside comment, both comment start and comment end are skip tokens. So nesting is tracked via push and pop, while parser productions stay focused on semantic tokens. Parol validates %skip declaration. Two important checks are: first, every referenced symbol must be a primary non-terminal for a terminal. Second, the terminal must exist in the scanner state where %skip is declared. These checks avoid silent misconfiguration. The language server now helps here as well. If a skip configuration is invalid, you get clear diagnostics and code actions for common fixes. This makes adoption safer, especially when evolving larger grammars. Use %skip when you have structural tokens that should influence scanning, but should not appear as parser-level noise. Typical examples are comment delimiters in nested comment models, scanner control helper tokens, formatting markers that are syntactically irrelevant for parsing. So to recap, in Parol 4.5, %skip generalizes skip token handling. It works per scanner state, integrates with scanner transitions, and keeps parser grammars cleaner. Most importantly, it gives you precise control over what should be ignored without losing correctness guarantees. I will put links in the description to the Parol repository, the grammar documentation chapter, and the changelog entries for this feature. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.